The 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, remote engine start, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, tow hitch, lane departure warning, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.